Hello, welcome to another food review. Today I'll be reviewing, you see it, the Popeyes chicken sandwich. Let me see. I'll be reviewing this sandwich. There's been a lot of hype around this sandwich. A lot of stupid things people have done for it. But is it really worth it? It's just a sandwich. But first I want to shout out Nana. Thank you, Nana, for getting this sandwich for me. Thank you. Thank you. And also, my sponsors told me to shout out Hupinha, which is a pineapple soda. It's natural. Drink it. It will quench your thirst. Yeah. It'll make you big and strong. Yeah. Okay, so let's get into this review. Okay. This is how the sandwich will look. This is the chicken. Let me see. Gotta really unwrap it. Okay, let's see. What makes this different than any other sandwich? Well, I see the bread. It seemed like they baked this bread. They put some butter on it. So I put it in the oven for a few minutes. Then put it on the sandwich. Is there any toppings on here? Yes, they got pickles and some type of secret sauce. Let me see. I think, what's the sauce? It's somewhat spicy. Probably some type of spicy sauce. And then the chicken itself. It's crunchy. It's crunchy like the regular chicken that Popeyes serves. Well, let me see. Okay, the texture is really good due to how well they cook the chicken. Got good texture. They probably could have done more with the seasoning, maybe. Not seasoning, but like the spices. Well, my opinion on the sandwich so far, it's pretty good. It's cooked. It's crunchy. It's decent with the spicing and the seasoning and the sauce. That's not the main attribute of the sandwich. The main thing they try to sell is the meat. It's mainly the meat. Like the meat, that's supposed to be the main part of it. Anything else is kind of just like, it's the side. It's on the side. It's not that important, but it's there. It's pretty good so far. But let me take one more bite to see if it's really worth it. Gotta get the crunchiness. And then that's kind of like the best part of it, is the texture, the crunchiness. I think it's kind of just those are really the main points. And is the sandwich really worth it? It's okay, it's pretty good. I want to say it's not worth all the hype really, but it's somewhat deserving. The main thing about it was Popeyes made a sandwich. You can just get this sandwich anywhere. Well, also before I go, I want to say thank you for all your support on my last video, my vinyl record collection. That's my second highest video, And I just want to say thank you. I appreciate you. And like and subscribe.